Today we're going to look at the Ray-Ban Story sunglasses. This is the Wayfarer edition. They do come in different styles. This is the kind that I normally wear as regular sunglasses. So I went ahead and stuck with the same brand here. But I went ahead and pulled the sleeve off of here just to kind of show you guys what comes with these sunglasses. Is you get a charging case. It's got a USB-C cable. You get a pouch. And then on the back side, one thing that I did not know upon buying these is that it's made for iPhone. I don't see where it's made for Android, so this must be specific to the iPhone. Luckily, I do have an iPhone. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and unbox these, and then I'll show you a comparison of what they are like with the regular Wayfarer sunglasses, but let's go ahead and see what they look like. Okay, once you open it up, they do give you a little case here. It says to download the Facebook View app. Okay, they give you a reference guide here, a safety and warranty book, and then here's your pouch. It's got the Ray-Ban banding on the pouch itself. Here's the drawstring that pulls it tight together just like that. And it looks pretty high quality the way they have these. Okay, and then it comes into your carrying case here, which has the Ray-Ban branding on top. It is a leather case, a leather feel to it. Over here, it looks like a USB-C charging port. And then upon opening it, a light just illuminated right there. And this is what they look like. Okay, it looks like right here is where it connects on your charging case right there to charge it up. I imagine, just slide it in here like so. Okay, so to charge these, what you do is you just make sure that connection right there, which is a little bit magnetic, so that way you know that it's actually charging like that. And then on the back side, you can use your USB-C cable to charge it. But say you are out and about, this cable or this charging case itself will charge your glasses even if you don't have the charging cable, because it does store some battery charge in the case itself. Okay, and these are what the glasses look like. The blue light blocker style here. That way, if you're somebody who looks at a computer for a long period of time, this will help with eye strain. This is the shiny black edition. On the side, it does have the Ray-Ban badges right here, just like your regular sunglasses. Right here are where the cameras are mounted. One there, one there. There's a button over here, and on this side here is the on and off switch. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker right here. This is where all the computer part of this is. So to compare these with a pair of regular sunglasses, they look pretty similar as far as the branding goes. The thickness is a little bit different. These are the regulars, and right there is the Ray-Ban Story. So you can see there is a good amount of thickness. But other than that, the way that they designed these is it looks just like a pair of sunglasses. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Ray-Ban Wayfarer Stories. I will do a review video on this, so be on the lookout for that. But hopefully this gives you a general idea of what they look like straight out of the box and compared to a pair of regular Ray-Bans. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.